gonna spray this thing down real good and let it sit with some PB Blaster on. Anything that moves, keep it from binding up. And then, oh, it smells like PB in here. This guy's working good. Got him moving this forward and backwards, so you can get reverse, first, third, fourth. Well, no, first, second, third. Pulling the battery in there, and I cleaned up the post, but I'm gonna do a second ground over to this AC bracket. You know, real high quality ground system here. He just shakes his head. It's a ground. It doesn't have to be good.
Yeah, it does.
Okay. That's why you're here. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it spins or we get any power. Then I'll have to go to plan B. Yeah, see, that's it. And I don't have, I had windshield
Could be
wipers.
just your cable now.
Okay. There we go. Let's lower that down. Bam. Okay. Yeah, that's, man, battery powered tools are the... That's probably why it didn't work.
Don't know.
12 inches of rust on it. So Bill had this nice, beautiful cable in a box of junk parts. You know, Bill sponsors our Hotrod Productions. Junk rods.
If it's in stock, we've got it.
I think he feels bad. I think he feels bad for me. So he's like, here, give this poor boy. Oh, that's a positive. They're bigger. Aren't the positive sides bigger?
Yeah.
Oh, I need a smaller one. There we go.
Oh, I was going to you for that.
Oh, for the other. Yeah, I'm gonna do this grounder first. See if the ground works, and then I guess we can move on to the other. The clamp is not going together enough because this is actually a positive cable. Sometimes the poles are bigger. So just gotta bang this bolt out and then slice and dice.
Don't hurt yourself.
Yeah, I like to cut myself open, especially when you're using a tool you're not used to.
Oh.
Vector 324.
We have clearance, Clarence.
Roger, Roger. What's our vector, Victor?
Clarence? That's it's one of my favorite tools, as you know. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, what's the warranty? Yeah,
It's still got the numbers from the plant.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
That's
It's
what
from the assembly line.
No way.
Yeah, it is. Look it up.
You're talking about that 50 where it says 59 and the X2?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Hold on.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, good.
Good?
Yeah, we got points.
Got sparkles. Why don't we just dump some juice down the throat?
Huh?
Not drinking anymore?
That fit it?
Oh man, you just invented the best thing ever. Every time I do this with you, Bill, there's flames coming out. How much you want?
Well, fill the bottle too.
Okay. Mess around with garbage.
No,
You don't have time for that
you
shit.
end up backing up too much.
Yeah, spending too much time doing the same thing 3 times. I'm deathly curious to see. Oh yeah, we didn't get no sparkles before.
Yeah.
Oh,
Better go try it real quick. Get out of the way. It just needs gas.
huh?
It wants gas,
Yep.
but if it's gonna pop like that, ether won't backfire and
No.
hurt us like gasoline. Whoops. How you gonna get that out?
You think it's gonna keep going?
Or let it burn out.
Oh man, this is beautiful,
Blow
Bill.
it out.
There's a lot of gas on there. Well, let's just let it cook off. It'll be fine. I love it when you come over, Bill, because we always catch something.
We
on
always
fire.
catch them on fire. That's what you call firing it up.
Oh, remember the Y block?
Yeah.
We could have a fire extinguisher, but it's just a little bit of fuel in there.
You should be able to blow it out.
Yeah.